Meiosis is needed in organisms. Why?
Meiosis is important because it produces the cells needed for sexual reproduction. Wink, wink.
How is meiosis different than mitosis?
I thought they were the same thing.
Well, they're not, so...
Well, you see, meiosis involves sex cells, and mitosis involves somatic cells.
What is the difference between sex cells and somatic cells? What?
Y'all are stupid.
Obviously.
It's true.
Sex cells or gametes are used in sexual reproduction organisms, and other cells, known as the schematic cells, go through the mitosis and are regular body cells.
So how does this all happen?
Well, let's show you.
Y'all are so stupid.
I didn't realize I was so sad.
We're going that way. This is a cell and interphase. This is a key up here. The orange is the bigger one around here. That's the plasma membrane. The smaller one is like in here, and it's the nuclear envelope. The yellow is the little centrioles, and they're supposed to be in 2 pairs. The purple, that's the nucleolus and the chromatin that's right here, and that's pretty much where all the chromosomes are. Then this is the cytoplasm, and somewhere later on the nuclear envelope's supposed to split. But we're gonna talk about later. We're gonna talk about that later. So yeah.
This is a cell interface. It is where cells spend most of their lifetime, and it is for growth and DNA replication.
2, 4, 8.
This stage in the cell cycle is used so cells are ready to go into meiosis or mitosis.
Go.
Prophase is where the centrioles start to move to opposite ends of the cell, and the chromosomes cross over as well as the nuclear envelope disappears. Metaphase is when the chromosomes will have in the center of the cell and the spindle fibers attached to the chromosomes. Anaphase is when the chromosomes are pulled apart. Telophase is when the cell splits into 2 and the nucleus is reformed.
Prophase 2 is where the centrioles move to the opposite ends of the cell that they are in, and the spindles form. Metaphase 2 is where the spindles tighten and the chromosomes line up in the middle. Anaphase 2 is where the chromatids separate and begin moving towards the poles. Telophase 2 is when the cells separate to make 4 daughter cells. 4 cells are created at the end of meiosis, and they are haploid cells.
The 4 cells are all genetically different because of the crossing over, and the DNA in each are all different.
Genetic diversity is increased from crossing over since they are changing DNA because it doesn't copy the diploid cell.
Thank you. I got surprised. All she listens to, all she listens to is Ariana Grande. Like she's complicated. She's very weird. Is that still on?
No.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Wait, what if I say it? What?
It's okay. Like, I don't
Just like-
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
1 DNA, 2 DNA.
3 DNA. Let's go.
My phone isn't this big. I can't record everything. Go.
Okay, are we all calm and ready to
No.
go?